So after Mr. Yes actually presented the challenges of the African data center market, we want to come with solutions. And for that, I would like to present a company, Nouvameq. And so they will present a local solution built 100% in Africa and Tunisia. The company is Nouvameq, and I leave you the stage.
Thank you.
And
welcome, everybody. So today we will present a solution that has been made in Tunisia and mainly targeting African markets, which is the containerized data center solutions. So first, I would like to present Nouvameq. Nouvameq is a company specialized in the deployment of data centers. So we start from design, commissioning of the facilities, provision of electric cabinets, as well as electric cabling, provision of UPSs and backup gensets, crack units, physical security, IT cabling, and monitoring systems. So we do all the peripheral infrastructure of the data center, so the customer can come, just put his servers and start working. Then comes a big question, $1 million question. Why do we choose a containerized data center solution instead of civil engineering solution? So the first answer is cost. The cost of a containerized solution is less than civil engineering. As Mr. Zahar just mentioned earlier, the costs of building in Africa are very high. So it's an incentive for any financial investor to go for a lower cost solution. Then comes the speed of deployment. The solution is very fast in deployment, very fast in commissioning, and it's scalable. So when you need to grow your data center, you just need to add another container. Okay, and basically it's a plug and play solution. So all you need is come with your servers, put them in, and start to working. This solution is used today in cloud computing and edge computing whenever you need decentralized solutions, military and defense, obviously, disaster recovery, when there is a disaster area and you need to be reachable, to be able to work, then you just come with your data center, put it in, plug it, and start working. Today, smart cities and Internet of Things. And in the case of temporary events like the Olympic Games, World Cup, where there is a need for fast computing and a great amount of information. So you can come with the temporary solutions for a temporary problem. So the features of any data center container is similar to a civil engineering built data center. So you have 2-hour fireproof structure, 2-hour fireproof reinforced access doors. You have the physical security, CCTV, fire detection and extinction. Also, you have backup genset, you have UPSs, and you have your cooling systems along with the cabinet. All that is built in the same space. So in the picture in the middle, you have an overview of an actual data center that was built. The other advantage of having a data center is it comes with a monitoring system. So you can visualize and see all the aspects of the functioning systems of your data center anywhere in the world. So you don't need to be there to see what is happening. So you can see the state of the equipments. You can remotely control your equipments. You can have an idea on energy consumption. And mainly, and most importantly, you can receive notifications whenever there is a problem on any equipment of the data center. Wherever you are, just you have the application on your phone, on your smartphone, or on your laptop, and you receive the information on real time. The other question is when to use a data center in containerized version. When there is a time constraint. Building takes time. Instead of that, when you have a containerized solution, it comes within weeks and you have a data center ready to use. When you have a need for mobility, for example, petroleum companies who work today in Tunisia, tomorrow they work in Algeria, Libya, maybe somewhere else, and they need to take their equipment. If their IT room is built in the building, then it will take time to take down the IT system, with the risk that they might lose some information in the process of the shutting down their systems and then taking it up again. The other advantage is when you have an area where there is a lack of infrastructure, like rural areas and in large swaths of Africa, you can use a containerized data center system. You just need to have enough space for the data center. Maybe if you are going to use renewable energy like solar energy, the surface area to deploy your solar panels, and you just plug your data center and it is working from T0. So this is an overview of project of data center in rural area where it is deployed with renewable energy. It has antennas, radio antennas, parabolic antennas for the information if there is no wiring. So it is reachable anywhere, anytime. The data center container comes with the expertise of Nouvameq and our partners. We have AT Industry, which is tasked with building and commissioning the solution, ABB with the UPSs, HIRF with the cooling systems, PI with the electrical gensets, and Rital and FIRAC who provide the server racks. And a technical team who is reachable 24 hours, 7 days a week to assist our customers anywhere where they are. Okay? And thank you for attention. And if you have any questions,
Thank you. If you would like to see the content of the presentation, there is a container outside.
Yeah, I forgot the most important thing, that we have brought here an actual data center container to show it to you after the presentation, so we can make we can simulate several aspects of the functioning parts of the data centers. Okay, you're welcome.